Hello, everyone. Welcome to July 6th. It's a Wednesday, 2022. Your Day Weather Podcast brought to you by Cowboy State Daily. Cowboy State Daily has more original Wyoming news content than any other news organization in the state. Cowboy State Daily. Sign up for their daily newsletter and check them out on their Facebook page. Monsoon moisture going to be the story over the next 2 days. A lot of cloudiness and shower and thunderstorm activity is being reported already early this morning and overnight in some areas, and this moisture will be around for the next 2 days. So many areas, both sides of the divide, will have some showers and thunderstorms today and lots of clouds. This will make today and tomorrow a little cooler. Severe weather is going to be likely today and again tomorrow in some locations. As we mentioned yesterday, the concern is probably heavy rain and hail are the two things to watch out for. Warmer, drier conditions are coming for the weekend. A little weekend heat coming on up. This will reduce the amount of thunderstorms as well. With the weekend heat and only a few thunderstorms around, it's going to be one of our warmer summer weekends so far. Great shot here from Swede up in Gillette of a big cumulonimbus cloud. Thunderstorm activity popping up over northeastern Wyoming and southeastern Montana, western South Dakota and Nebraska. This is the time of year you get these beautiful cumulonimbus clouds, these big thunderstorms. We had some supercell thunderstorms yesterday. In fact, we had one develop just south of Douglas. And what this is the radar imagery showing the estimated rainfall, but it also shows the track of the thunderstorm. It formed just south of Douglas, and then it maintained itself for over 5 hours before moving just north of Alliance, Nebraska. It just missed the Scotts Bluff area. It just missed the Lusk area. But along this path here, we had several reports of very large hail. You see those black triangles? Those are hail reports where hail was more than 2 inches in diameter. So it's that time of year, folks, we'll have to heighten our awareness for hail. And this is certainly going to be the case the next couple of days. Why? There it is. A big fetch of subtropical moisture coming on into the region, and this is going to produce the showers and thunderstorms today. There's the precipitable water. You can see it very deep over Wyoming, Montana, the Dakotas, Nebraska, Colorado, and another patch of good moisture back over the Pacific Northwest. It's going to be around again tomorrow, but you may notice an increase in the dry air here in Utah and Arizona. This is that dry wedge that'll be working its way in for Friday and the weekend. Here is the latest outlook from the Storm Prediction Center showing where the highest risk of severe weather is going to be today. I want to note this area right here in northeastern Colorado, southeastern Wyoming, western Kansas area here. This area is an area where some strong thunderstorms that will produce heavy rain and hail will be today. The northeast corner of Wyoming, a lot of Montana into the Rapid City area again today. You've got to watch out for this. And really, we should probably just connect the lines here in terms of where the highest risk is going to be. The lighter shade of green means a lesser risk, but still a chance. This is where the thunderstorms are going to be popping up this afternoon and evening. You can see it on a widespread basis. This is where they're going to be tomorrow. Notice it's very similar, although there's a little more of an eastward trend in the thunderstorms developing on Thursday. But for the next 2 days, the chances of rain and thunderstorms in most areas, especially along and east of the divide and in the mountains, will be high. A lot of subtropical moisture means heavy rain could be associated with some of these storms. And this is just the perfect setup for this. With the high over eastern Oklahoma, that's just a really favorable position for that subtropical door to open. But what's going to happen this weekend is that high retrogrades, yep, it goes kind of backwards. It goes to the west. And here it is, centered over Grand Junction by Saturday afternoon. This is what's going to bring the heat. It's also going to close the door. It's going to basically shut the door to subtropical moisture. Now, it doesn't mean it's closed forever. There's still going to be residual moisture left around, but the pipeline of moisture gets cut off temporarily this weekend into early next week. But we do expect the high to move back to the east towards eastern Oklahoma and eastern Texas by the middle to the end of next week, opening that door again. This is the precipitable water forecast for Saturday, and you can see the dry air getting into Wyoming, Utah, and Colorado. There's still moisture up here, though. So there's going to be some shower and thunderstorm activity over the northern plains and northern Rockies. But you can see basically the high cuts off the green. Just cuts it off here. The drier air is coming in into the middle. The drier the air is, the warmer it can get. And that's what's going to happen. And here you can see the temperatures relative to average This is for Saturday. Saturday is going to be the warmest day. Have yourself a good Wednesday. We'll